I'm Timothy Farnham with Black Label Real Estate, and today I'm going to show you One Steuart Lane. This is one of the newest, most exclusive buildings in San Francisco that is sure to become a San Francisco landmark. It has amazing views. It has attention to detail in every single aspect of it. It also has top-notch security. So come on in, let's see what's behind these iconic mahogany doors. One Steuart Lane has something for everyone. It has one bedrooms starting at $1.1 million. It has two bedrooms starting at $2 million. But this is what I'm really excited to show you. This is their model 3-bedroom unit, which starts at $7.2 million. But for entry level, check this place out. It is beautifully finished with these marble countertops, with these white oak floors, ambient lighting, all sorts of cabinet space, super high-end appliances, and check out these windows, floor to ceiling, but they're not just any old window. They're actually made from a special crystalline glass, which makes it even more transparent than normal glass, and it feels like you're just sitting here on the bay. So if this is entry level, I'll take two. One of my favorite design features of this building is how they've been able to blend this big city living with outdoor space. So come on, let's check out this enormous balcony. Be prepared to have the most Instagrammed home in San Francisco. Now we're in the community living area where you can come on down, grab yourself a little cucumber water, or maybe you want something to pick you up a little bit. They have an espresso machine down here too. Over here is the community living area where you can lounge on these big comfy sofa and watch the big game. Or maybe you want something a little bit more relaxing. You can cozy up in this lovely chair by the fireplace and read a book. But come on, let's go check out outside. Welcome to the community terrace. Now imagine yourself on a nice sunny morning like this, sitting here with a cup of coffee, or maybe even grab your laptop, get a little bit of work done. Or maybe even better yet, maybe it's a Friday night, invite some friends over, invite some family over, maybe some associates over, and then grab some steaks and some burgers, grill them up on this nice community grill. And hey, the view ain't that bad either. One of the great things about One Steuart Lane is the amenities. First off is this gym where it has absolutely everything you need to keep yourself in shape, and it's right in the building, so you don't even have to go anywhere. Did I mention they have a Pilates room? Because they do. And after a nice hard workout, you can treat yourself to either a steam room or a sauna. But maybe you want something a little bit more relaxing? How about this? A serene, secluded hot tub. Now that I've shown you this fabulous building, let's take a walk around this terrific neighborhood. One Steuart Lane is in the East Cut neighborhood, so everything is at your fingertips. If you're someone who loves an early morning jog, the Embarcadero is only steps away. And if you're like me and you can't function without your morning coffee, St. Frank's is just around the corner with your favorite morning brew. Last but not least, the restaurants. This is a foodie's paradise with restaurants like the Boulevard, Perry's, and Ozumo less than a block away. So if you like fine dining, then I think you're finally home. This is One Steuart Lane. I'm Timothy Farnham. See you next time.